Are you looking to capture user feedback in an engaging and actionable way? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Outgrow to gather insights from your users and turn them into valuable data that helps improve your business. Stick around till the end because I'm going to give you access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Outgrow, which will help you level up your marketing game. Outgrow is a platform that allows you to create interactive content like quizzes, surveys, assessments, and more. It's designed to not only engage your users, but also to capture feedback in a seamless and intuitive way. Whether you're gathering customer satisfaction data or simply trying to understand your audience better, Outgrow makes it easy to collect feedback and integrate it into your business strategy. Now, let's dive into how it works. First, Outgrow's builder is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding expert to create high-converting, interactive surveys. You can choose from templates that are ready to use or customize them to fit your specific needs. What's great is that these templates are designed with user experience in mind, ensuring that the feedback you collect is valuable and actionable. You can add logic to your surveys so the questions adapt based on the answers given. This makes your surveys feel personalized, which increases user engagement. When users feel like the survey is tailored to them, they are more likely to complete it, and that's when the real value comes in. Once your survey is ready, you can easily embed it on your website, share it via social media, or even send it through email campaigns. Outgrow also allows you to track and analyze the responses in real time, so you can quickly act on any feedback you receive. This is crucial for businesses that need to adapt quickly to their customers' needs. One of the best things about Outgrow is its ability to integrate with other tools you're already using. Whether it's your CRM, email marketing platform, or analytics tool, Outgrow lets you sync all of your data seamlessly. This means you can track customer responses across all channels, giving you a complete picture of your audience's needs and preferences. But capturing user feedback isn't just about asking the right questions. It's also about how you present those questions. With Outgrow, you can design beautiful interactive experiences that keep users engaged from start to finish. The more engaging the experience, the more likely users are to give detailed feedback. Another thing I love about Outgrow is the reporting and analytics features. You don't have to guess what your users want. Outgrow provides you with insights that help you understand the trends in the feedback you're receiving. You can filter the data, segment responses, and even generate reports to share with your team. If you're worried about not getting enough responses, don't be. Outgrow lets you customize your call to action messages and incentivize users to complete your surveys. Offering discounts or free resources in exchange for feedback can increase your completion rates significantly, and here's where it gets even better. Outgrow allows you to automate follow-ups based on user responses. For example, if someone leaves negative feedback, you can set up a workflow that triggers an email asking for more information or offering a solution. This automation ensures that no valuable feedback slips through the cracks. By now, you should have a clear picture of how to capture user feedback using Outgrow. But before you go, remember to take advantage of our exclusive offer. You can start using Outgrow for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've got an extended trial with bonuses to help you get started faster. So if you want to engage your audience, capture feedback, and make data-driven decisions, Outgrow is definitely the tool you need. Don't forget to click the link in the description and start your free trial today.